Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aksa Khalid and I am here with a new video about the addition of binary numbers. Okay, as we know that binary number system contain only two numbers, means 0 and 1. The addition of binary numbers is just same like the addition of decimal numbers. Decimal number system mean a system which has the number from 0 to 9 and the rest one are the combinations of from all 0 to 9. But when we add 0 plus 1 in binary number system, we got the answer 1. And when we add 1 plus 0, similarly we got the answer 1. But 1 plus 1, then we get 0 and 1 carry, and this one will be here. So in binary number system, the addition of 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, and similarly the addition of 1 plus 1 and plus 1 in binary number system will be equal to 1 and 1 will be carry, which will be here. The addition of 3 ones in binary number system is equal to 1 1. I hope you people will understand. Let me revise it. Addition of 0 and 1 in binary number system will equal to 1. Addition of 1 and 0 in binary number system will equal to be 1. But the addition of 1 and 1 in binary number system will equal to 0 and 1 will be the carry. Addition of triple ones in binary number system will equal to 1 and 1 will be the carry, and the answer will be the here double 1. Let them practice by using some examples. In the first example, first number is 111 with base 2, means that in binary number system. 101 with base 2 means that in binary number system. Let me add them. 1 1 and 1 in base 2. 1 0 1. 1 plus 1, as we know that, will equal to 0 but with carry 1. 1 plus 1 again equal to 0 with carry 1. Now 1 1 1 will equal to 1 with carry 1, which will be here. The answer is in the base 2, means that in binary number system. Of course, by using two binary numbers, we get the answer in binary number system. In this example, I am going to add in 0 1 1 0 1. Both the numbers are in binary number system. We have to add them. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 0. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 0. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 is carry. The answer, of course, in the binary number system. Let's take another example in which I have to add 1 0 1 1 in 1 1 1. Both the numbers are in binary number system. So 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 is carry. and the answer is in binary number system. Let's again have this example 1 1 1 1 and 0. We have to add this one in 1 1 2 and triple zeros and again 1. Both the numbers are in binary number system. 1 plus 1 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1, but 1 plus 1 0 and 1 will be the carry which will be here. Let's do another question 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1. Both the numbers are in binary number system. I have to add them. 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry again. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 will be the carry. 0 plus 1 1 and 1 will remain the same as it is. The answer is of course in a binary number system, so we have to mention this. Let's do another question 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. Add this number which is in binary number system 1 1 0 0 0 and 1 and 1 and plus 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 as it is. 1 of course as it is because 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1, but 1 plus 1 0 and 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1 0 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1 0 and 1. Of course the answer is in binary number system. I hope you people will understand. Allah Hafiz.